Just Buggin.
Hey man, what are we doing today?
Well, now we're done with the 72 Super Beetle road call that we just went on, and now we're heading to Crystal River to look at a Volkswagen Thing for someone in Illinois that wants to purchase it, Jackie to be exact, and we're going to see a guy named Pat that's selling it, and I'm going to evaluate it and take some pictures and give the motor an evaluation, a compression test, of course, if Pat allows me to. I'm sure if he wants to sell it, let me evaluate the motor. But anyways, we're about to head out. Mama Buggin's going to show for us so we can go and check this out. So we're on a Volkswagen mission today. Just Buggin.
On a hot day.
Yeah, on a hot day. Just Buggin's going on the road.
Hey man, where are we?
We are here to look at the 1974 Thing. I do know that it doesn't come with a top, doesn't come with the vinyl windows and everything. So
it's a funky bumper.
Yeah, I don't like the unoriginal bumper.
But I like it. I mean, the color is actually kind of nice.
But see, somebody's drilled into the front end of it. There's bolts on it that don't belong there. All right, let's go see what we find.
Hello.
Hello, how are you doing today? Pat?
Yep.
Greg? So,
Name's Dalton.
yeah, that's my son Dalton. What's the story on this? Where'd you acquire it? How long have you had it?
I bought it in 95.
Oh.
And we got it over by Beverly Hills.
Okay.
There ain't nothing been done to it since the day we got it.
And you just driven it? Yeah.
My dad drove it all the time. And he passed away last year. It just hasn't gotten driven much.
Mm-hmm.
Well, I shouldn't say in 25 years we put 6,000 miles on it.
And it's a 74?
Yeah.
That's nice. Hi, how are you?
Hi.
That's my wife, Trina.
What are you taking pictures of?
We are YouTubers and we film various Volkswagens and
fine.
VW shows around Florida.
Do you mind if I do a compression test while I'm here?
Fine.
Okay. You've been driving it this long with this engine seal missing and the back 10?
It's been like that since the day we got it. We haven't done a thing to it. Well, I shouldn't say we had a thing. We put a different speedometer in it because the gas gauge needle fell off.
Okay.
But as far as the engine, it's a 1500, so it didn't come with it. But
No,
okay.
it's what it is. It's what we had.
No major sound like the last
Is
one.
it in gear? Make sure. I don't feel anything. Don't feel anything as far as the inplay.
No, there's no stopping.
Yeah. True metal.
Here you go, sir.
All right, thank you. No, what I told her is the boots are gone on the...
CB axle?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. I greased the hell out of them, but I wasn't about to change them. And we had a different fuse box pulled in because every time we hit a bump, the damn Volkswagen fuse would fall out on the floor.
Well, it definitely needs, the body needs to come off the chassis.
How much she wants to do with it. You know, if you want a full restoration, I told her in this way, it's just a daily driver.
Right.
It's what it's always.
Yeah, I don't know what direction she wants to go into it, but I see an awful lot of fiberglass work in the floors.
Oh, I think they redid the floors or whatever they did and then just slopped the fiberglass to it.
Yeah, and it would be quite a difficult job to separate the body from it now.
But like I said, it's as solid as it was since the day we got it. You can feel them. It's not like you're going to go through anywhere.
But I'm saying, you see where the fiberglass has been run up onto the body?
Yeah.
That means that would have to be cut all the way around just to bring the body up.
If you want to do a full, off restoration.
Yeah, I don't know where, like I said, where she's going, so that would just be something that she would have to consider if she wanted.
If that was the case, I would tell her, don't get this one.
Right.
If you're just going to do it as a daily driver, as a fun car, for what I'm selling to her for, fine.
Yeah, I'm restoring it. 74 thing right now.
I told you, I took the spare tire out because there's a hole right down there, and I think it was because whoever had this, they took those, Volkswagen's got those.
Yeah, I know what you're talking
round
about.
things. Well, they took them out and never replaced them.
Right, I've seen that.
And all the crap went up in there, and
Let's start taking some pictures.
you're welcome to take it down.
Yeah. So I didn't get you coming back, but how was the drive?
Oh, it's great. The drivability's fine. Acceleration's fine. Braking's fine. Of course,
Clutch fine?
like Pat mentioned, you got to connect the park brake cables, but that's not a big deal. Brake fine and turn fine, and seemed like the steering was fine. Didn't pull.
Nice.
I didn't go too far, but
Let's see the compression test now.
yep, that's what we're going to get to now. So, let me get all my stuff together. And it's back at my house from that owner for a full paint job. It's completely disassembled right now and in primer. I'm a gentleman, although I have a nasty habit of smoking.
Terrible.
Then you are militant.
Yeah, that really made it hard to quit. My son found my videotapes of me in Korea when I was like 56 days left in the military.
At age 24.
Where do we go from here?
But I ain't got you. I ain't got you. I ain't got you. But I ain't got you.
Yeah, and I made a videotape, hours of it, like there's 12 hours, he's still looking for the other tape.
He was documenting his trip for my mom, and I converted the videos from VHS to digital and uploaded on YouTube.
Yeah, so it's on our YouTube channel now, so you could actually see me in action at 24 years old as a GI in Korea. Climbing mountains, coming up on monasteries and caves, and we were adventurers. We didn't go the trail. Like when I went to New Swanstein Castle in Germany, where they came up with the idea for Disney's castle. There's a whole roadway up there, and they can take you up there by carriage with horses, or you can go a trail, or you can get a trolley. No, we parked our car on the side of the road on the way there. So all the castle went straight, with machetes going through the woods and climbing up the side of it. Of course, they were really shocked. Now that's number 3. Especially a 1500. You don't have a doghouse cooler on here. Your cooler's right here. This is the hottest plug. As you can notice, it's black. Number 4.
Yeah.
Number 2. Rich is not bad. Lean is worse than rich, but I'm just saying it's been running good. But this is going to be your cleaner plug.
I think this is probably, other than idling back and forth out of the garage, is the most it's been driven in a year.
Yes, sir. Okay. It's about 115, maybe 120.
Pretty good.
Yeah. This is a 15 Dalton.
Yeah.
They're not the high compression.
Yeah. Good start though.
It's good compression.
Yeah.
Book says 100. I'd like to be at least 115, 120. Okay, go ahead. That's good. It went to about 110. Alright. That was about 80, which is the hottest cylinder. That's the one that usually is, if anyone's going to be weak.
Hey, so what was that last one?
That last one, number 4, was 120. So we got number 1 is around 120, number 2, 110, number 3, the hottest cylinder, is 80, and number 4 is 120. Now, take in consideration that, like he said, it's who knows how long it's been since there's been a valve adjustment. Some of those could change after a valve adjustment.
But the end play seemed pretty decent.
Yeah, the
wasn't a
end plate
loud
was tight,
clunk.
so yeah,
Pretty good so far.
I've had work. see this story after I worked on it. No, it's a solid body and everything.
I think the only issues is the
We
floors.
came to a...
Doesn't it seem like the older we get, the hotter it gets, or is it just the earth is really burning up?
It's probably burning up.
I think it's because we're getting older, and I only have 1 day a week to work out here, so I push it pretty hard.
Oh yeah. Well, as long as you're careful, it's not bad for you to let your pores flow.
Yeah,
Get out and get the adrenaline going.
I try to take breaks. Last beer, no, I'm kidding.
Oh, I like my beer.
Hey man, where we heading?
Oh, we're gonna go up to this restaurant. What was the name of it? I just told y'all to pull in here. I was on the phone.
I have no idea. We'll tell you guys the name when we get in there. But
We're over in Denellen, Florida, right near the Rainbow River, right, honey? Yeah. So we're gonna go in here. I've never eaten here before. I don't think so.
Yeah.
Maybe when I was a kid, my mom brought me here. But so we checked out the
who we
thing.
just spoke to?
Pat.
Jackie?
Oh, Jackie, yeah. I just spoke to Jackie about the thing, and I'm kind of concerned about the fiberglass floors in there. Oh, they're solid and everything, but who does that? I mean, and the holes didn't look that severe, but you just have to go around with the trimmer and cut that meshing from the edges and pull the body off and replace the floors. But up in Illinois, I'm sure there's slim pickings up there with all the salt on the roads and everything. So for the price that she's offering him, I think it's worth it. Yeah, so.
Nice. Well, hey.
Well, good time spent. I mean, you can't just go buy something from out of Illinois without sight unseen.
So let's go get some food now.
I think she'll do good on that. Well, Swampy's Bar and Grill had a 45-minute wait. That. We're gonna go find somewhere.
Hey man, where are we?
We're in Denellen, but I'm hoping I'm spelling it right. Is Lugo's Grill?
I don't know how you say it, but we're about to find out.
Authentic Cuban sandwiches and seafood.
Yeah.
Let's go check it out.
Let's go check it out. What you got there?
I got a real good looking Cuban sandwich. This is real Cuban food here.
Oh yeah, what'd you get?
Steak.
Steak sandwich.
Nice. I got a Cuban too. First time trying a Cuban. Let's go. Hey man, so food was pretty good.
Oh yeah, I love that Cuban sandwich. My eyes were a little bit bigger than my stomach.
Me too.
Couldn't finish the other half like usual.
Yeah.
But it was delicious, very tender.
But hey, it's been a hard-working kind of day, you know, for just bugging you.
Yeah.
So it's what, 4:21 now,
We
and
helped some people out today.
Yeah.
Somebody that wanted to look at a car from out of state, and
somebody that had a little issue.
They were popping and backfiring because the points were all toasted.
Yeah. So now time to head home and have a Sunday nap.
Yeah, that's. I need my old man nap.
Let's go. Hey guys, it's Dalton. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. We had a great day that Sunday. It was very productive. Instead of laying around and chillaxing, we went out and did some just bugging work. We worked and did a service call on the 72 Super, which you saw in the last video. And then we went out and inspected this sweet 74 VW thing for Jackie, which lives in Illinois, that reached out to us because she was wanting to purchase it, but didn't have the chance to come down here to look at it in person. So yeah, we checked it out, and it is a sweet thing. I mean, the only thing that we had of concern is that the floorboards and the body are kind of meshed together with fiberglass. So at a later point, if she would like to do some floor repairs and fix that. But as a great drivable car, as a daily kind of driver with no top and kind of put it in the garage, it's not so bad. But she actually purchased it, and it will be coming here and getting some repairs and work on it later on. But she will be purchasing a top for it, and she's very excited for the future with her sweet yellow VW thing. And I gave her an idea and told her I think the nickname should be Mellow Yellow, so I guess it's called Mellow Yellow, at least for right now. But yeah guys, we had a great time, and we thank you so much for watching this video. If you guys enjoyed it, drop a like, comment, subscribe, and have a just bugging of a day. Keep on bugging out there.